I moved here. It's funny. Yeah, you would think that. Yeah, I haven't at the time, but still, you would think I would.
The whole thing, you know, when we start our playoff series next week, is we got to be locked in defensively, and so that has to be his focus.
World and mixes all those best of all worlds together.
Next, we are co-founder and CEO David Cole shares just where this technology
came out.
In a lot of cases, seeing on seeing different types of positive coming out.
First round matchup will also be at home, and the push for the parade. Make no mistake, the Warriors' goal is to win the title. You got to be the one to see first on home court. They've already done that.
Coming back.